Okay, I'll just show you how to connect a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Porsche Macan. It's a 2020. So we go to settings, we're into Bluetooth, watching out at the bottom on home here, there's no phone at the moment. So it says there, connect a phone in the phone area. Click on that. It's saying insert a SIM card or connect phone via Bluetooth. Porsche BT0423, click on that. And then we have to accept it here. Accept. It's the pairing 747431. Yes. Pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. It's connecting. It's showing the sat navs come up there. So it's already connected. Now it's got Apple CarPlay too. So connect. We want to do that. Apple CarPlay. Accept. Use CarPlay. That's what I want to do.